Dear students, most welcome to the video. I think everyone is fine and I am fine too. Now let's go to the video. Dear students, going to learn in this video playing the game. In the playing the game, we are introduced Sports Quiz Legends of Sports Asian Games 2014. One more, in the playing the game, we are introduced Sports Quiz Legends of Sports, last one Asian Games 2014. First one, Legends of Sports. Okay, there are many world-renowned athletes who have caught the attention of the world. Many world-famous athletes are Olympics medalists. There are many world-renowned athletes who have caught the attention of the world. Many world-famous athletes are Olympics medalists. Dear students, there are many sports persons in the world, but some of there are the best of the best, giving them the status of legends in their chosen sport. There are many sports persons in the world, but some of them are the best of the best, giving them the status of legends in their chosen sport. Read the description and write the name of the sports legends. Take help from the given clues. Okay, dear students, read the description and write the sports legends. Take help from the given clue. I can read one more. Please listen. He began competitive go-kart racing by age 12. He won the World Driver Championship for a record 7 times. He began competitive go-kart racing by age 12. He won the World Driver Championship for a record 7 times. Michael Schumacher. Next one, he is a former American professional boxer, generally considered the greatest heavyweight boxer in the sports history. Answer, Cassius Clay. Next one, he is an American professional golfer. He is generally regarded as one of the greatest players in men's professional golf history. He has won numerous events dating back to 1955. Answer, Arnold Palmer. Fourth one, he is an Ethiopian long distance runner who holds the world record, the Olympics record, in both the 5,000 meter and 10,000 meters events. Kenensia Bekele. He is a member of the Argentina men's national basketball team. He also plays for the San Antonio Spurs in the National Basketball Association. Emmanuel Ginobili. Okay, dear students, and the next one, she won the state national championship at 15. She was won 18 Grand Slam singles titles, including 9 Wimbledon singles titles. Martina Navratilova. He was an Austro-Hungarian American swimmer. He was one of the best competitive swimming records of the 20th century. Answer, Johnny Weissmuller. He was the best batsman to have played the game. He had a career test batting average of 99.94. Sir Don Bradman. Okay, and dear students, and the next one, Asian Games 2014. Okay, next one, Asian Games 2014. The 2014 Asian Games, which took place between September 19 and October 4 in the South Korean city of Incheon. Okay, dear students, the 2014 Asian Games, which took place between September 19 and October 4 in the South Korean city of Incheon. Asian Games 2014. Here are the most important points. Okay, dear students, I can read one more. When did the Asian Games 2014 begins? When did the Asian Games 2014 begins? Answer, September 19. Okay, next one. Where was the Asian Games 2014 held? One more. Where was the Asian Games 2014 held? Answer, Incheon. Next one. Which country did not send female athletes to Asian Games 2014? Answer, Saudi Arabia. And fourth one, who won gold medal in the men's 50 meter air pistol in Asian Games 2014? Jittu Rai. Fifth one, who won gold medal in the men's 56 kilogram weighting in Asian Games 2014? Om Yam-pol. Who won gold medal in the men's singles in squash in Asian Games 2014? Abdullah Al-Masail. Okay, so next one, who won gold medal in the women's singles in squash in Asian Games 2014? Answer, Nicole David. Okay, next one, which country's women's basketball team of forfeited a match in protest against head scarf ban in Asian Games 2014? Answer is Qatar. Who won gold medal in the men's lightweight singles sculls in rowing in Asian Games 2014? Answer, Lok Kwan Hai. And next one, who won gold medal in the women's triple jump in Asian Games 2014? Olga Ripakova. And next one, who won gold medal in the men's hockey in Asian Games 2014? India. Okay, next one, who won gold medal in the men's football in Asian Games 2014? Answer, South Korea. Okay, 14, who won gold medal in the women's rugby in Asian Games 2014? Answer is China. And the last one, when in the Asian Games 2014 end? Answer, October 4th. Okay, dear students, and the next one, page number 27. Here are the few physical questions. Take the correct option in each case. I can read page 27. Okay, dear students, Yobs Oniki, who set up a historic world record in 10,000 meters race in 1993, belongs to? Answer, Kenya. And the next one, Amar Singh Sokhi is remembered for his performance in? Answer, cycling. And the next one, how many players are there in a Kabaddi team? Answer, 7. Okay, next one, which of the following is a pair of names in the same game? Answer, soccer, football. And the next one, Ben Johnson, the well-known athlete belongs to which of the following countries? Answer, Canada. And next one, Limbaram is known for his outstanding performance in which of the following? Answer, archery. Okay, next one, in which city did the Asian Games the first take place? Answer, New Delhi. Okay, and next one, the 13th Asian Games were held in Bangkok. Okay, and next one, what is the length of each stump in cricket? Answer, 28 inches. Okay, and the next one, which of the following places is known as Mecca of Indian football? Answer, Kolkata. And the next one, which city hosted the 2014 Winter Olympics? And answer is Sochi. Okay, next one, how many gold medals were handed out at the 2014 Winter Olympics? Answer, 98. Okay, next one, how many sports were featured at the 2014 Winter Olympics? Answer is 15. Okay, last one, who received the torch at the end of the 2014 Winter Olympics Games? Answer is Pyeongchang. Okay, dear students, we are introduced in the playing the game sports, quiz, legends of sports, and then last one, Asian Games 2014. I hope you understand this part. Okay, dear students, and the next video, next chapter. Okay, thank you everyone.